Conversation practice is the best way to improve your English speaking skills fast. So let's have a conversation. You and me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kirsty, your British English teacher. Today we will listen to an everyday conversation between two old friends. Then I will explain the vocabulary and the phrases from the dialogue. After that, we will practice together. I will say one line from the dialogue, and then you will read the next line as it appears on the bottom of the screen. This way you get real-life practice speaking English with me, and you get to learn new everyday vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh my goodness, Alex, is that you? Emma, wow, I can't believe it. It's been ages. I know, right? How long has it been? 3 years? At least. What have you been up to? Same old, same old. I'm still working at the communications company. Really? That's great. Do you still enjoy it? Yeah, it keeps me busy. What about you? Well, actually, I moved back to the city last year. I've been teaching at a language school. No way, that's fantastic. And do you like it? Yeah, I really do. The students are great and the schedule isn't too bad. That's so good to hear. And how's your family? They're all fine, thanks for asking. My brother got married this summer. Oh wow, congratulations to him. And how was the wedding? It was beautiful. A little bit stressful, but really special, I bet. So do you live nearby now? Just a few streets from here, actually. What about you? I'm still in the same flat near the park. Nice. We should definitely meet up properly sometime. Absolutely. How about coffee next week? That sounds perfect. I'll text you and we can set a date. Great, I'm looking forward to it. Me too. It was so lovely running into you. Same here. Take care, Alex. You too, Emma. Bye. Let's break down some useful expressions from the dialogue. If you want these new words to really stick, download the free mind map that I have made for you. Writing down and organizing the new vocabulary makes a huge difference. The link is below in the description and in the comments. It's been ages. It's been ages. This means it's been a really long time and it's very common in everyday English. What have you been up to? Just as common in everyday English. This is a friendly way to ask, what have you been doing with your life? Note, however, that if you change your intonation and you say it like this, what have you been up to? It means, what have you been doing wrong? Or what have you been doing that's mischievous? It's definitely something I have already said to my children. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. This means nothing new. Everything is the same as before. You can answer simply, same old, same old. No way! Is an informal way to show surprise. It's like saying, really? I bet. Is often used informally to show agreement, understanding, or empathy. In the dialogue in this video, I bet is used to say, I'm sure the wedding was really special. I can imagine. In just 2 words, I bet. We should meet up properly. This means let's spend time together soon in a planned way. Running into someone doesn't literally mean that you bump into someone. This means to meet someone by chance or unexpectedly. These are all English expressions you can use when catching up with friends. English speakers use these expressions every day. Now it's your turn. I will be Emma and you will play Alex. I'll say my line, then I'll pause so you can say yours. Your words will pop up on the screen. Are you ready? Let's try. Oh my goodness, Alex, is that you? I know, right. How long has it been? 3 years? Same old, same old. I'm still working at the communications company. Yeah, it keeps me busy. What about you? No way, that's fantastic. And do you like it? That's so good to hear. And how's your family? Oh wow, congratulations to him. And how was the wedding? I bet. So do you live nearby now? I'm still in the same flat near the park. Absolutely. How about coffee next week? Great, I'm looking forward to it. Same here. Take care, Alex. Well done. If you want more practice, then go back and do the conversation again without reading the dialogue. If you dare. I dare you. If you enjoyed this speaking practice method, then let me know in the comments and I will do more videos like this one. Don't forget to subscribe if this video has helped. It's your turn again. As you know, I answer all of my comments personally. So write a short conversation where you catch up with a friend. 6 lines maximum, otherwise I will have too much homework to do. And drop it below in the comments. I will take a look at it in the next few days. Try to use at least 2 new expressions from this video. Please don't forget to share this video with another English learner. If you would like to do some more English with me right now, click here for another lesson. I'll see you there.